Hello everyone. Welcome to Shubha Advisory. We're delving into a crucial aspect of tax planning, understanding Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. By watching this video until the end, you're sure to gain valuable insights that align with your financial goals. If you're keen on optimizing your tax savings, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Understanding Section 80C. Section 80C of the Income Tax Act is a game-changer when it comes to reducing your taxable income. But what exactly does it entail? Let's break it down. What is Section 80C? Section 80C is a provision under the Income Tax Act of India that allows individuals to claim deductions on certain investments and expenses. These deductions play a crucial role in reducing your taxable income, ultimately leading to lower tax liabilities. In our country, many individuals, especially those facing financial hardship, heavily rely on government assistance and programs. However, the middle class, who diligently pay taxes, often feel they're not reaping their fair share of benefits. This led taxpayers to question the government's policies. In response, the government introduced a measure. Taxpayers who save and invest in eligible avenues can now claim a maximum deduction of up to 1.5 lakh rupees under Section 80C. Key points: Section 80C. Eligible investments. Under Section 80C you can invest in various avenues such as life insurance premiums, unit-linked insurance plan, term insurance plan, salaried term insurance plan, child education plan, guaranteed saving plan, endowment plan, money back plan, regular income plan, employee provident fund, EPF, public provident fund, PPF, equity-linked savings schemes, ELSS, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, SSY, tuition fees for children's education, principal repayment of home loan, National Savings Certificate, NSC, tax-saving fixed deposits, Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, SCSS. Benefits of Section 80C. Now, let's discuss why Section 80C is so beneficial for taxpayers. Maximum deduction. Taxpayers can claim a maximum deduction of up to 1.5 lakh rupees under Section 80C. This means that the amount invested or spent in eligible avenues can be deducted from your total taxable income. Up to this limit. Long-term savings. Many of the investments allowed under Section 80C are geared towards long-term wealth creation and financial security. By availing these deductions, taxpayers are encouraged to save and invest for their future goals. Benefits of Tax Act 80C. Tips for maximizing tax savings. Now, let's explore some practical tips for maximizing your tax savings under Section 80C. For the financial year 2023 and 24, the tax slab rates remain the same as the previous financial year, 2022 and 23. Here are the tax slab rates applicable to individuals below 60 years for FY 2023 and 24. All tax slab rates applicable for FY 2023 and 24 for individuals below 60 years. Income range and tax rate %. Income range up to 2,50,000 rupees, tax rate is nil. Income range to 2,50,001 rupee to 5 lakhs rupees, tax rate is 5%. For income range 5 lakhs and 1 rupee to 10 lakhs rupees, tax rate is 20%. Income range above 10 lakhs rupees, tax rate is 30%. Tax calculation for different income levels. Income 5 lakhs rupees. Taxable income 5 lakhs rupees. In below table mentioned, taxable income range, tax rate, %, and tax payable, income range up to 2,50,000 rupees, tax rate is nil, tax payable is nil, income range to 2,50,001 rupee to 5 lakhs rupees, tax rate is 5%, tax payable is 12,500 rupees. Tax rebate, 12,500 rupees, total tax payable, 0 rupees. Income, 10 lakhs rupees. Taxable income, 10 lakhs rupees. In below table mentioned, taxable income range, tax rate, percent, and tax payable, income range up to 2,50,000 rupees, tax rate is nil, tax payable is nil, income range to lakhs 50,001 rupee to 5 lakhs rupees, tax rate is 5%, tax payable is 12,500 rupees. Income range 5 lakhs and 1 rupee to 10 lakhs rupees, tax rate is 20%, tax payable 1 lakh rupees, so total tax payable 1,12,500 rupees, tax rebate 12,500 rupees, total tax payable at last 1 lakh rupees. Tax Act ATC benefit. If you invest up to the maximum allowable amount of 1.5 lakh rupees under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, you can potentially save up to 30,000 rupees in taxes, assuming you are in the highest tax bracket of 20%. This is because the tax savings are calculated based on the amount invested multiplied by your applicable tax rate. In this case, 20% of 1.5 lakh rupees equals 30,000 rupees. So, investing the full amount can lead to tax savings of 30,000 rupees. Income, 15 lakhs rupees. Taxable income, 15 lakhs rupees. In below table mentioned, taxable income range, tax rate, percent, and tax payable, income range up to 2,50,000 rupees, tax rate is nil, tax payable is nil, income range to lakhs 50,001 rupee to 5 lakhs rupees, tax rate is 5%, tax payable is 12,500 rupees. Income range 5 lakhs and 1 rupee to 10 lakhs rupees, tax rate is 20%, tax payable 1 lakh rupees, income above 10 lakhs rupees, tax rate is 30%, tax payable is 3 lakhs rupees. So total tax payable, 4,12,500 rupees, tax rebate, 12,500 rupees, total tax payable at last, 4 lakh rupees. Tax Act ATC benefit. If you invest up to the maximum allowable amount of 1.5 lakh rupees under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, you can potentially save up to 45,000 rupees in taxes, assuming you are in the highest tax bracket of 30%. This is because the tax savings are calculated based on the amount invested multiplied by your applicable tax rate. In this case, 30% of 1.5 lakh rupees equals 45,000 rupees. So, investing the full amount can lead to tax savings of 45,000 rupees. Please note that the above calculations do not include cess and surcharge, if applicable. Additionally, deductions under Section 80C or other eligible deductions have not been considered in these calculations. So plan early. Commence your tax-saving investment planning at the start of the financial year to reap maximum benefits. This approach enables you to distribute your investments evenly and avoid last-minute rushed decisions. Diversify investments. Consider diversifying your investments across multiple avenues eligible under Section 80C. This not only spreads risk but also maximizes your overall tax savings potential. Tips for maximizing tax savings. In summary, Tax Act ATC serves as a potent tool for reducing your tax burden while simultaneously laying a strong financial foundation. By comprehending the various investment options and meticulously planning your tax-saving strategy, you can leverage this provision to secure your financial future. Advantages. Individuals opting for the old tax slab are eligible to avail tax benefits under ATC. Disadvantages. Opting for the new tax slab renders ATC less beneficial. Terms and conditions. It's crucial to acquaint yourself with the terms and conditions of any financial product before investing, especially to utilize eligible tax savings and investments. Despite time constraints, sparing 10 to 15 minutes to review terms and conditions is essential to respect your hard-earned money. These terms and conditions vary among companies and products. Charges. Every financial product incurs standard charges, which you should be aware of before investing. Ensure you understand all charges, including fund management charges, allocation charges, admin charges, mortality charges, GST, among others. Your premium will encompass all charges, no additional fees are required. Fees. There are no fees to avail the ATC tax benefit. Beware of anyone requesting fees. Commissions and brokerage. Financial products sourced through an IRDA certified and government authorized intermediary may entail commission or brokerage paid by the company based on their performance, not by the customer. Shubha Advisory. We are with over 15 years of work experience in banking, finance, and insurance. I bring a wealth of knowledge to the table. We specialize in helping clients avail ATC benefits. Those who want to know more, understand ATC completely, or avail ATC benefits can access all our services without any fees. Our dedicated team will assist you in finding suitable, need-based financial products. As experts in crafting a balanced portfolio for individuals, NRIs, we extend our assistance, guidance and services in various financial aspects, including investments, savings, tax declaration, Tax Act ATC. Message us via WhatsApp with your financial services queries for free. WhatsApp us at +9 184829905010. We provide assistance via calls with pre-scheduled appointments. Contact us on WhatsApp to schedule appointments and learn more about our services. We have over 2,500 satisfied customers, including NRIs, whom we actively assist in building their balanced portfolios. If you want to join them, simply message us on WhatsApp. Feel free to reach out to us for any financial queries. Thank you for being a part of Shubha Advisory. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram as Shubha Advisory. Need assistance with ATC personal finance or tax planning? Reach out to us at +9 184829905010. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on personal finance and tax planning. Until next time, happy investing.